Hello friends, today let us see how to make air fryer potato wedges. This is a healthy recipe made with very less oil. Let us see the ingredients. We need some potatoes, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper powder, parsley, parmesan, salt and olive oil. First, cut the potatoes into wedges. If you don't like the potato skin, you can peel the potatoes and then cut it into wedges. Keeping the potato skin helps ensure that we get more nutrition from the potatoes. Check out the ingredients quantity and recipe given in the description. Here we have some potato wedges. Soak the potato wedges in cold water for 20 minutes. This ensures that wedges become crispy on frying, and also soaking in water removes the starch from the potatoes. After soaking, drain the potato wedges and using a kitchen towel pat them dry. Now let us add the seasoning. Add garlic powder, black pepper powder and salt, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, olive oil and chopped parsley. Mix well. Ensure that the potato wedges are nicely covered by the seasoning. Open the air fryer basket and grease the basket with little oil. You can even spray it with olive oil. Place the potato wedges in the air fryer. Close the air fryer basket. Air fry for 20 minutes at 200 Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. After every 5 minutes, open the air fryer basket and toss the potato wedges. Continue air frying till the potatoes are nicely fried. Open the air fryer basket after the timer goes off. Crispy outside, soft and yummy inside. Air fryer potato wedges are ready. This is a healthy snack. You can serve it as a side dish or even make it for kids to have in the evening time. The cooking time will depend on the thickness of the potato wedges. Serve hot. Thanks for watching.